Conveniently located in one of Great Falls' most desirable neighbourhoods, this house is sure to suit any commuter. It has easy access to major highways, the airports, the metro, as well as the facilities of Tysons Corner. It is also only a short distance to Great Falls Village, and also both Riverbend and Great Falls Parks, where there is a multitude of recreational activities available. This gracious residence, located on a quiet cul-de-sac, is sited on nearly 2 acres. From the moment you drive up the circular driveway, you realise that this home is a perfectly secluded sanctuary with views of the pool and landscaping. This updated 2-level residence of more than 5,000 square feet has ample room for the 6 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. A separate in-law suite could easily be created, especially as there is a large kitchenette in place. A truly special place for entertaining, whether on a grand scale or just enjoying the setting with your family. This is a home you will always be proud of.